In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer image to PDF in less than 1 minute. First, you need to upload your image to Google Drive. So I need to select an image. So I charge on here. Okay, I select this image. Then click on upload. Now it's already okay. Upload to my completed to my mobile phone. Now I need to open this one. Then now again I need to open this image. Then now click on this three dot menu at the now you need to click on print option. Now at the left corner just again click on three dot menu, again save as PDF. That's it, your work are completed.